How to start creating children's channel like movies, bedtime stories, songs for a faceless channel, for kids movies, like so.
Once upon a time, in a quiet little village surrounded by tall green trees, lived a cheerful boy named Timmy and his best friend, a fluffy
Let
golden
me
dog
teach you
named
how to
Benny.
create all this step by step, which means I'll be teaching you how to prompt, how to get the script for these stories, how to get the images, how to get text to image, text to video, how to get the story, how to get the voiceover and everything, okay? Hi guys, my name is Wokobuchi. On social media, I teach you how to monetize the social media platforms, how to edit videos, and how to work with AI tools. I do review all AI tools for you, and I have AI courses going on as well. Now, let me teach you how you can actually start up a faceless channel for kids, bedtime stories, songs, okay? Happy children's channel to be able to earn money on YouTube, and how to do it so you will be monetized, because there's a lot of trouble going on right now. A lot of people creating YouTube videos and they do not get monetized because they don't know how to create these YouTube videos or how to create these AI videos. So I'll be teaching you how to create this with AI. Of course, there are some tools you pay for, yes, but I'll be teaching you how to create this with AI and get monetized, which means you will be eligible for monetization on YouTube, because I'll be teaching you all the secrets on how to cross all the troubles that are going on with AI channels these days. Let's go into this tutorial. Let me teach you how to do this. Do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to share, and do not forget to comment in the comment section the next AI kind of channel you want me to teach you on how to open. Let's go. First, what you need to do is you go to ChatGPT. So I'll open my ChatGPT for you like so. Now, once you open your ChatGPT, the next thing you need to tell ChatGPT is you tell them, give me a short, okay? Give me a short bedtime story. So we're using bedtime story for kids. Bedtime story for kids about a dog and a little boy. Okay? So this is the first thing you're asking ChatGPT to do for you. Give me a short bedtime story for kids about a dog and a little boy. Now, so this is it. When you're done putting this, you just click here. Okay? You click on generate and then you wait for it to generate before you move to the next thing. So they're giving you this short story. This is a short story. Okay, so this is the story. This is how it looks. Now the next thing you need to do is you say, give me visual prompt. Give me visual prompt. That's it. Give me visual prompt for each scene with consistent character. Now, this is the next step. You click. You wait for them to give you with consistent character. Okay? So each scene comes with its own. So this is prompt number 1. This is prompt number 2. This is it for each scene. There you go. So this is what you will be using to create your movie or your story. Okay? Now you come up here. The first thing first, they're telling you down here, up here you have a little boy named Tommy, around 6 years old, curly hair, curly brown hair, pajamas, and his fluffy golden dog Benny. So that's the description they've given you. Okay? Style, pixel style, light, dream milk. This is the style of what you'll be getting. So this is what we have right here. After you have this, you tell ChatGPT again the next step. Do not forget, okay? The next step, you tell them, give me the narrator, okay? Give me the narrator version of this story. There you go. You click again on generate. So this is a step-by-step thing. For those of you who are new YouTubers and you want to start creating faceless channels, Let me walk you through this step by step before you start running around kitty kitty kata kata. So we have the narrator version like so, okay? This is the narrator version. Now, the next thing for you to do is to start generating your images, get your visuals, right? So for us to be able to get our visuals, we are starting with the first prompt, which is this one. A 3D pixel style little boy with coily brown hair, wearing blue pajamas, play in a grassy backyard with a fluffy golden dog. The sky is warm with sunlight, color and trees. So we are starting with this one first. So I'll copy this. Now, your choice. You can take this to your favorite image tool, turn it into image before you turn it into videos. Some people are just obsessed like that, okay? Now, another way, you can just take the text and take it directly to video. So let's go to my video app, depending on your video app that you're using. Let's go to my video app and turn this into a video. So the next app I'll be using will be the Hello AI. Now I'll click on Hello AI. You click on Hello AI. So once you click on Hello AI, you open on it. This is what you see, the interface. You have image to video, text to video, and image generation. Now we'll be dealing with text to video, which means I'll be clicking where it says text to video. Click. Now here, I'll paste my prompt. The prompt I copied from ChatGPT. So prompt number 1, copy and paste. We paste the first, then I click on finish, then I click on generate. I'll wait for it to generate. Now you can see my generations here. I've been generating on this app, and they are good when it comes to visuals. So after this generation, I'll show you, this is it settling up. So when it's done generating, I'll show you how it looks. So now, Hello AI, this is our video. The video is ready. We just need to wait for it to load, okay? Now I'll go again and paste the next prompt, because of course we need to generate all the videos. Now I'm pasting the next prompt. Click on paste, click on finish, click on generate while we wait for the other one to load. So yeah, that one is generating. I'll come here and you see that? Super nice. So this is so beautiful and I love it. This is the first scene. So I'll click on download and I'll download this video to my gallery, because we need to put them all together and form this movie, okay? So wait for the next scene to generate as well. So we generate scene after scene. When we are done generating all the scenes, then I'll teach you how to put together this story, okay? Okay, so the next app I'm going to now will be the Capco app to put our videos together and put the story together. Now I'll click on Capco and wait for it to open, right? Now I'll click on new project. Where you see new project, I'll click on new project. Now once you click on new project, you have your images already like this in your gallery, and what you need to do is save the images one after each, which means which one comes before which one, because you already know the story and you generated it. So I'll click on this one first, which is the first image, then the second one, which is this one, then the third, then the fourth, then the fifth, okay? Then I'll click on add. Now you add, it pops up in the story like so. Now you watch these visuals and you get to see how they align. Okay, but there is this thing that you need to know. If at all your story is longer, which means your audio is longer, and the AI tools only give us like 5 seconds of videos all the time, I'll teach you how to actually fix this, which means you will be duplicating your videos. Some of the videos you duplicate them, some you just leave them like that, okay? Now, once you get your visuals and you see that they align and they okay, the next thing you need to do is to go to audio. You click on audio, then you click on sound. Now, once you click on sound, you click on the file, future, you click on device, okay? You click select from device, and then you go to your gallery and bring your voice over that you've recorded already from your favorite recorded tool. So I actually use the Minimax to record my audios. So I'll click here on open. Once I click on open, I'll click here on add. You see the plus here, the blue plus, click on add. Now I have my story directly under here, but you can see there is this lap at the end where the images did not get to, the videos did not get to. So we need to duplicate some of this video according to the story. So we listen to the story first before we duplicate the images. So it will play like so.
Once upon a time, in a quiet little village surrounded by tall green trees, lived a cheerful boy named Timmy and his best friend, a fluffy golden dog named...
So this introduction took a long time and we did not get the description of the village because the first scene was supposed to be like a village before this play plays. So now what I'll do is I'll come down here, I'll look down here in the description box and I'll click on duplicate, then I'll duplicate this video 2 times so it makes it longer. Okay?
Timmy and his best friend, a fluffy golden dog named Benny. They did everything together, chasing butterflies, playing fetch, and running.
Now it matches like that. After you see that your story matches your video, at the end you come here and you click on duplicate, then you duplicate this one as well. So once you duplicate it, you have your story aligned like so. Okay? You have your story like this. So your story gets to end where your voiceover ends and make it nicely. Now, another method to do this nicely is for you to actually read out the story with your voice. So you can put the story on the screen and you use a teleporter to read the story with your voice. Make sure everything aligns the same. If you're generating the story, this kind of story, and it starts in once upon a time, there is a village or they lived in a village, always try to use that village scene to generate a village. First will be the first image or the first video before the main character video comes in. Now, how to generate your audio? You go to Minimax, text to speech, and you turn your text to speech from the Minimax app. Okay? So this is how you do it. Now, when you're done doing this, most of your AI tools up here, you see the 1080p resolution. Most of you will have the 720p or the 480p. Now, what you need to do is to add it up and make it be 1080p. Once you have it at 1080p, before you can now click on export, and then you export your video. So you click on export, you export your video, and you have your video ready. Okay? Now you can post this video on YouTube and anywhere, and then you earn your money. Don't forget to subscribe at this point. Don't forget to share and don't forget to comment. Tell me the next AI kind of videos you want me to teach you how to generate, and I will do that in my next video. Ciao, ciao. Bye, guys.